Hey traders, Todd Gordon here with TradingAnalysis.com. This is for CNBC's Trading Nation. Traders, we're going to take a look at an earnings trade in Alibaba. I was just on Fast Money last night doing the technicals. We had a really nice conversation about international equities, emerging equities, Chinese equities, all doing very, very well here. There's a lot of growth happening overseas, as well as we're getting a lot of weakness in the dollar, which is helping that kind of fuel that situation. So a really good setup here is in Alibaba for February 1st earnings. As we take a look at the chart, you can see that the stock has been consolidating in September, October, and right through the end of 2017. But here we are in 18 with those booming overseas markets. You're seeing a nice push up, and you can see that support has clearly formed here in Alibaba as we zoom in. I mean, it couldn't be any more simple of a chart here. Right around the 190 level looks to be support as we're heading into earnings. Really nice foundation, really nice base from which we can hopefully leap on up to 200. Now, as we look at the implied volatility situation, it's extra juicy down here heading into earnings. As we know, if you've been watching earnings trades here on Trading Nation, we like to sell those expensive options leading up into earnings, because when you get the earnings release, you will inevitably see that volatility come out of the stock. Both puts and calls will drop, and you can use that to our advantage. So when you have a good technical setup plus well overcooked volatility, you can express our directional bias, which is long, by selling those expensive puts, because the expected movement is quite great here heading into earnings on Feb 1st. So basically, heading in, as we look at the option chain, the expected move right after earnings is down here in the bottom left. We're looking at a move possibly as far down as at $182, and then on the upside $208. So you're talking, boy, that's a $13 move higher or lower around earnings. There's a lot of movement anticipated there. So with all the macro forces behind us, the technical support of this Alibaba chart, I like selling puts right on top of the market, crowding it a little bit, taking in a nice premium here. So we're going to go ahead and sell in the February 2 options. Must be lucky. It's my birthday. Hopefully we get lucky. We're going to sell the February 2 options, sell the 192 half strike, buy the 187 half strike. We're going to be taking in about $1.95, give or take, depending on when you see this video and you're filled. So that's premium that goes in our pocket right now. Our max loss, if everything goes completely wrong in this trade, is $304. So why the skewed reward to risk? Because the probability of success is upwards of 60 to 70% by the way we're structuring this trade. So let's go ahead and put it to work. This is an earnings trade. There is no liquidity after hours when those earnings are reported, so this is all or none kind of trade. So position size small enough such that if the trade goes completely against us, it's not that big of an impact on your portfolio. For CNBC's Trading Nation, I'm Todd Gordon. Good luck on that Alibaba trade. Be sure to follow us at Trading Nation on Twitter for updates to this trade as well as all the other markets our traders are watching. We'll see you guys in the next video update.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.